Let's proceed in the third method of differential equation, known as method of solution of first order homogeneous ordinary differential equation. For this method, let's proceed with this. We said your first task, if you can pick y and the y and x and the x, if you can separate them, use what? Variable separation method. If you can't, use the third method. First, I'll let y to be v of x. I'll make the x to be v plus x divided x. So said let y to be equal to vx, and also make the y over the x to be v plus x divided x. That's what we said. From here, this one here becomes this. That's v plus x divided x is equals, this is x minus y is vx. That's vx all over x plus y is vx. I have vx. Next task, factorize. Factorizing. I said factorizing an LCM is what you look up towards. That gives you v plus x divided x is equal to, this gives you x into 1 minus v all over x into 1 plus v. All right. So x times 1 gives you x minus minus, x times v gives you vx or xv. X times 1 gives you x plus plus, x times v gives you vx or xv. 1, 2. S cancels s, right? I'll have v plus x divided x is equal to, I have 1 minus v over 1 plus v. We said take this v other side, that gives you x divided x is equal to 1 minus v over 1 plus v minus, we said this one comes with 1 minus what? Minus v over invisible 1. All right. Take LCM. That gives you x divided x is equal to what do you want? Stone? This one? LCM from here, that gives you x divided x is equal to, my LCM here is obviously this one here. That's 1 plus v. This divide this is 1. 1 times this gives you 1 minus v. Minus minus. This divided by this is itself. This one here times v, that gives you v into 1 plus v. LCM concept. So it gives you x divided x is equal to 1 minus v minus, observe, minus v times 1 gives you minus v, minus plus is minus, v times v, that gives you v squared all over 1 plus v. All right. From here, it gives you x, that gives you x divided x is equal to 1 minus 2v minus v squared all over 1 plus v. All right, I have this one here. Next priority. If you simplify this one here, that gives you, if I simplify this one here, that gives you x dv over dx. That gives you x dv over the x is equal to 1 minus 2v minus v squared all over 1 plus v. All right. All right. Proceeding from here, my task now is to make sure the perhaps I want to make sure that the x and x are together, while the v and v are together. So that's variable separation, right? So perhaps I'll multiply first. This times this gives you 1 plus v into x dv equals this times this gives you 1 minus 2v minus v squared. Then I have dx. So let's move x and x terms. So I'll divide also by this one here. So divide by this one, 1 minus 2v minus v squared. Divide by this one here, 1 minus 2v minus v squared. What happens here? This one will cancel this. I have 1 plus v x dv all over 1 minus 2v minus v squared equals what there? Equals dx. So just bring this x here, just bring this down here. That gives you 1 plus v. I have dv all over 1 minus 2v minus v squared equals, bring this x here, that gives you dx over x. All right, I have this one here, this over x, dx over s. You said this in this is 1. I have this one here, minus minus this in this self times v. All right, let's proceed please. Next part here, integrating through. Integrating through. All right, let's all get. From here, that gives you the integral of 1 plus v all over 1 minus 2v minus 2v squared. Then this dv should come here as dv equals, I'm integrating this one here with respect to the v, equals, this one gives you the integral of 1 over x dx. All right. Now let's proceed with integrating this. So I'll pick out this one and integrate alone, and then we'll come back to, so if I integrate this one, I'll have in x. We know this already. So let's try to integrate this one. So my first task is to let u to be equal to 1 minus 2v minus 2v squared. Differentiate u with respect to v. I'll have du over the v is equal to, differentiate 1 constant terms up. That gives you minus 2 minus sorry, this is just v square now, not 2v square, just v square, please, not 2v, just v square. That minus this one gives 2v. Differentiate minus 2v, that gives minus 2. Differentiate v square, that gives you minus 2v. Make the v subject. From here, the v gives you du over minus 2v. This can be expressed as, dv can still be expressed as du over minus 2, minus is common, that gives you minus 2 into 1 plus v. I factorize. Minus 2 times 1 gives you minus 2. minus 2 times plus v gives you minus 2v. Minus plus minus 2 times v, 2v. So this and this are still the same thing, right? From here, substituting, that gives you the integral of 1 over v, 1 plus v, all over, this one here said is u dot dv. The v is now is what? Du all over what? This minus should come up, minus the u over 2 into 1 plus v. This man will cancel this. All right, I have what left? I have the integral of 1 over u left, dot this 2 is a 1 up, that gives you minus 1 over 2 dot du. Bring out one constant term outside, that gives you minus 1 over 2 integral of 1 over u du. From it gives you minus 1 over 2 ln u. What is u? Let's put u here. Let's put u there. From here, that gives you minus 1 over 2 ln into, what is u? We said u is this. That gives you 1 minus 2v minus v squared. That is u. Alright, so after integrating this one alone, I have this answer. So bring up this one back. This gives you equals, integrate 1 over x with x. That gives you ln x, of course, plus c. Plus c. Alright, let's proceed. This one gives you minus 1 over 2 ln into 1 minus 2. Perhaps to save time, we said that v is what? Y over x. So whenever I see v, I put over x. So that's 2. Then v should become what there? Y over x minus v. That gives you y over x. Or what there? All squared equals ln x plus c. If I say I should make y subject here, it becomes complex. So the idea is this: I can stop this man here. So I'll stop this man here. It's still correct. To make y subject here is critical. So to avoid of stress, we can pen it here. So I can pen it here. So perhaps I can leave it as what? As my answer. So we can leave this as our answer. You can leave this as our answer. Yeah. So I can leave this as our answer this way if I want to. Please ensure it's in bracket, please. This one here, a bracket this way, then a bracket should cover it this way. It is equal to. All right. I can leave this way and still be correct. So just pen it here, because the task to make y subject is quite lengthy process. So you can stop it here. What you want to check in exam is the way you solved the problem. That's all. So that you solve this particular question. Let's move to example 3. In the study of ordinary differential equation of the third method. So let's proceed with the third example under this.
Alright guys, you can now join my channel membership to have access to exclusive videos of mine which most people will not have access to. To get this link, membership program, as you can see the left hand side of the screen, you can see the YX/JAM classes. You can go there. It of course 1,000 naira, or you go for the other level student to have access to both. Right, so once you join the channel membership for other level students, you will have access to both the WAEC and the JAM classes with the under level itself. So do well to join this membership to support our online academic session. See you guys sooner. Guys, I just launched some courses on my website. These courses include physics tutorial for year 1 student, WAEC/JAM student, WAEC/JAM classes for JAM student, and also I have the organic chemistry for beginners. So these courses, you can get these courses on my website, as you can see displayed at the right hand side of the screen. I just launched a book called The Shortcut to Academic Success. In this book, I share a lot of experience on how I evaluated during my time in school. This method really helped me a lot. If you're interested in getting this book, simply chat me up through my WhatsApp number that is shown in the screen,